Internet of Things (IoT) is a network of physical devices that are connected to the internet and can collect and exchange data. This includes everything from smart thermostats and light bulbs to medical devices and industrial equipment. How does IoT work? IoT devices use a variety of sensors to collect data about their environment. This data can be transmitted to the cloud or to a local server, where it can be analyzed and used to control the device or to provide insights to users. Benefits of IoT. IoT offers a number of benefits including increased efficiency and productivity. IoT devices can be used to automate tasks and to collect data that can be used to improve decision making. Reduce costs. IoT devices can help to reduce costs by reducing energy consumption and by improving maintenance efficiency. New products and services. IoT is enabling the development of new products and services that were not possible before. Example of IoT. Here are few examples of IoT in action. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats can learn your heating and cooling habits and adjust the temperature accordingly. This can help to save energy and money. Smart lights. Smart lights can be controlled remotely and can be programmed to turn on and off at specific times. This can help to improve security and convenience. Wearable devices. Wearable devices such as fitness trackers and smartwatches can collect data about your health and activity levels. This data can be used to improve your health and fitness goals. Industrial IoT. Industrial IoT (IIoT) is the use of IoT in industrial settings. IIoT devices can be used to monitor and control equipment to collect data about production processes and to improve worker safety. The future of IoT. IoT is still a relatively new technology, but it is growing rapidly as the cost of IoT devices continues to decrease and as more edge devices are connected to the internet. IoT is expected to have a major impact on our lives. Conclusion. The Internet of Things is a rapidly growing technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. It is important to understand what IoT is and how it works so that we can take advantage of benefits and mitigate its risks. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.